Understanding muscle growth.
Muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy, is the process where muscle fibers increase in size. It's a response to physical activity, especially strength training. When you work out, your muscles experience stress and tiny tears. Your body answers this challenge by repairing and reinforcing those fibers, making them thicker and stronger over time.
How exercise triggers muscle change.
During weightlifting or resistance training, muscle fibers are put under tension. This tension creates microscopic damage in the muscle tissue. Specialized cells rush to start repairs. The body recognizes this stress as a signal to adapt. So with each session, your muscles gradually learn to withstand more, resulting in visible growth.
The role of protein in recovery.
Protein plays a major role in muscle rebuilding. After exercise, the body breaks down dietary protein into amino acids. These amino acids help patch up and strengthen muscle fibers. Rest and sleep are just as important. This is when most muscle repair takes place, leading to real gains in both size and strength.
Hormones and muscle development.
Like testosterone and growth hormone, help stimulate muscle repair and growth. These chemicals send signals that tell the body to build new proteins and manage energy for recovery. Exercise increases hormone levels, giving your system the tools it needs to create stronger, more resilient muscles over time.
Why consistency matters.
To keep building muscle, you need consistent and progressive workouts. The body adapts only when it's regularly challenged. That means gradually increasing weights, reps, or intensity, so muscles are always pushed just beyond their comfort zone. Coupled with proper nutrition and recovery, this steady approach fuels ongoing muscle growth.